A lot of people in the West these days are very busy and therefore very stressed. They have very little time to work on their mental and physical health. So here is a 5-minute pranayama breathwork technique that you can do to calm down your body and your mind and balance the nervous system. And the technique is called Nadi Shodhana. Now what does Nadi Shodhana mean? Well, Nadi means energy channels and Shodhana means purification. So in short, it's the purification of the energy channels. And this is a perfect exercise you can do to prepare for meditation or to calm down your body and the mind or to prepare for sleeping. Now, and the way this works is it's also called alternate nostril breathing. So the way this works is that we close one nostril, we breathe in through the other nostril, and then we hold it for the moment, and then we close the other nostril and we breathe out through the nostril that was first closed. And then we repeat the process, so we breathe in to the same nostril, close that nostril and breathe out to the other nostril. And the way this works is that because when we would only breathe in and out through our left nostril, we would activate the parasympathetic nervous system, so responsible for the rest and digest mode, so more calming. And if we would only breathe through the right nostril, then we would activate the sympathetic nervous system, which is more responsible for the fight or flight mode, and it's more activating. But if we switch between those two, we are balancing the nervous system. Now, I will explain you how this exercise works, and then we'll do it together for a few minutes. So what you want to do is you want to take your index finger and your middle finger and you want to place it against your hand, and with your thumb you want to close your right nostril. You can support your elbow if you don't want to feel any tension in your shoulders. And what we want to do is we want to breathe in very slow and very gentle in through the left nostril, then hold it for a moment, close the left nostril and open the right one, and breathe out very slowly through the right nostril. And then breathe in through the right nostril, close the right nostril, open the left one, and slowly breathe out through the left nostril. So let's do this exercise together. And at the end of the exercise, you will hear the Tibetan bowl, and then you know the exercise is over and you can come back in the here and now and open your eyes again. So let's put our index finger and the middle finger against the palm of our hands, close the right nostril, and breathe in very slowly through the left nostril. Hold it for a moment, close the left nostril with your ring finger, and then breathe out to the right nostril. Slow and gentle. Then breathe in again through the right nostril, hold it for a moment, close the right nostril, and breathe out through the left nostril. Now keep going like this, and just very slow and very gentle, keep breathing like this. In through the right, hold, out through the left. In through the left, hold, and out through the right. Keep going. Now stay focused on your breath. Hold your attention in the here and now. Just feel the breath very gently entering the nostril, and after that feel it very gently leaving the nostril. Feel how you're breathing in colder air, and when it leaves the nostril, feel the temperature change, that it's a little bit warmer air leaving the nostril. And breathe in slow, gentle and deep into the belly. Make use of the diaphragm. Now feel the air passing through your brain, and then also feel the air leaving the nose again. Keep the focus on the breath. It's all good. It's all okay. Now, you can let go of the breath and open your eyes again. And just don't get up immediately. And just take a little time to feel how you're really feeling. Just sit for a couple more minutes and just feel what this technique did with your body and with your mind. Now, if you want to learn more about pranayama breathwork techniques or health in general, just hit the like and subscribe button below this video and join the tribe. Namaste.